So what is your like primary platform?
SkyPrivate and Cam Model Directory,
I'd never heard of those. Are
which is
those
crazy because I make so much money on them.
really?
Yes, like I barely do anything else. I started off on Chatterbait, but then when I found this, it's game changing.
Wow, Sky Private. Is that like a UK based system? Because that sounds like Sky. It reminds me of UK.
So it is based somewhere not in the United States, but it's called SkyPrivate because it's all based on Skype. So it's like Backpage. You just put your
Oh,
ad out there, and then people message you on Skype, and you exchange money and do a private show for them.
oh shit. So all right. So on the platform, you set everything up, and then once they pay, you go to
Skype.
Skype.
Yeah.
Oh shit. All
And it
right.
actually charges them per minute. So like they can call you and you can answer anywhere on your phone or on your computer and it'll charge your minute rate.
Oh, good. So they can't like screw you over like Uber, right? Be like, and then be like, oh, cancel.
No, no. At least they'll pay for that 1 minute that it took them to, you know.
Nice, nice. Oh, so it's I'm sorry. So you said it's per minute.
Yeah, so they can prepay or they can do per minute.
Hmm. So like if they blow a load in a minute, then they're just paying for a minute.
Yeah, I just get my little $3.49 and move on.
Well, hey, it's only a minute. I guess that's not bad.
No, not at all. I'm still happy.
Yeah, everybody wins. It sounds like.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
really awesome. If girls haven't heard of it, they should definitely check it out.
yeah. So like, is it like how ChatterBait, like you have like featured people and everything?
Yes. So you can definitely get discovered. It's not like you have to come with your own fan base, like OnlyFans. You get your new tag or whatever when you first get in there, and they put you on the front page as a new model. And that's when you really need to like hit it hard and get all your customers. But yeah, they advertise you. People can put in that they want a short, fat brunette and like from the United States, and they can find you like that. Like it's crazy what they can search you by.
So what do people search you? But like, what are your like search terms? What do you?
MILF.
MILF. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I'm 30. I'm in my 30s. So, which is kind of insulting when I have like a 30-year-old guy want me to pretend to be his mom in like a role play. But
That's
it
that's
is what it is.
weird.
Yeah.
So like, how do you get on the featured page? Is it like like how do you get on a featured page?
So they have their top models, which normally I am one of the top 30 models on the front page. And it's because they measure how fast it takes you to respond to somebody when they message you and you say you're online. Your rating, like people can rate you after they have a show with you. And if they leave you 5 stars, then hell yeah, you're moving up. And then how much money you make and how many calls you take. So all those things.
So yeah, so it actually pays off. Like if you're good at what you do, it's gonna show. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get featured.
Oh yeah, for sure. It didn't take me long
Yeah.
to get on the front page at all.